Hi everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's On. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, we are going to do a chicken curry fried rice. The fried rice will be cauli rice. This dish is a super easy go-to weeknight or prep meal to have for lunches for the week. It comes together really beautifully, and it's chock full of vegetables. It's got the lean protein from the chicken, and it has a good amount of fat from the coconut milk that goes into the sauce. So I hope that you guys like this as much as we do. Without much more chatter, let's get cooking.
Take your moment to join the dance. Wait, but never miss your chance. No more walls, your destiny is facing you. Illuminate with all the power of the sun and moon. Listen to your name while the winds keep calling. Nothing in the way where the truth is falling. All around, feet are solid on the ground. Stars shine their light down. Ready, set, no regrets. The time is now. Throw history behind your back. Not too late to change your habitat. Rise like wings high above the fire and smoke. Take your swing, no time for gazing at the dust below. Listen to your name while the winds keep calling. Nothing in the way where the truth is falling. All around, feet are solid on the ground. Stars shine their light down. Ready, set, no regrets. The time is now.
Okay, hi everybody, welcome back. We are back with the taste test of the curry chicken fried rice. I'm just gonna have a little taste here for you, and the rest is actually gonna go for lunches for work lunches for this week for me. The guys don't actually like this one. It's Steve is kind of a hit and miss curry person, and Asher doesn't like curry at all. So I'm the only one that eats it. So when I make it, I just make a normal batch, and then I usually just portion it out and have it for. This makes about 4 really good sized servings. So I usually have it for 4 days, or I'll eat it on an evening where they're having something different, where I can just heat it up and go. So this is show you kind of what it looks like. Let's taste it. Good. It's good. Just trying to think if it needed a little more salt. I don't think that it does, but just taste it yourself and add to it as you need to. You can always add it on top later if you want. This one, like I said, it's pretty much all vegetable. It's got fat from the coconut milk. I used full fat coconut milk, but you can certainly use light coconut milk. If you have a coconut allergy, or you're not good with coconut, doesn't settle with you, you can use tiger nut milk, you can use banana milk, although it might change the flavor a little bit, or plantain milk, or any other milk substitute that you're able to tolerate. those ones are just the AIP ones, elimination phase, that I'm aware of. So you can try any of those, would all work out for this recipe. You can also, you won't get the creaminess, but you could use just a bit of water, but it just won't be as creamy, which I find is kind of what makes the dish personally. But it's creamy, curry, really, really yummy. Don't have much more to say. I hope that you guys like it as much as we do, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, everybody.